Hello everyone and welcome to another Django video. Today I will be showing you how to transform a Django project into a Windows program. I'm going to divide this into 5 different videos so we keep it organized, and each one of them will have a post in my blog. As always, link in the description. Now before we jump to the first post, let me show you a more visual example of what's happening. We have this X file with an installation program. We're going to install it, and it's basically installing the Django project with embedded Python, because you don't know if the computer where you are installing this program has Python or not. It finished installing. I'm gonna launch it. It also has the shortcut, and it will open a browser without the search bar and the URL bar and the buttons on localhost 8000 with the simple Django project. Now that's about it. It will be also accessible through the traditional browser. Let's open it again. It's again in there, but if we visit on localhost 8000, you will have just the same content. This could be anything you want. It's a regular Django project, like I said, and when we close it, it's also gone from the browser. That's about it for an introduction, and now let's start with part 1. You can use your own Django project. I recommend that you create a new one. Also, you can download from this GitHub repository. I uploaded a super simple Django project so I don't have to create one from scratch. And I'm gonna do just that. So in the command line, I'm going to already activate my virtual environment and simply git clone this Django project. I will go there and run it just to make sure that everything went as it should have been. And here it is. Now this is the local one. I'm running it from here, not from the program. That's about it for this introductory video. Now in the next video, we will be installing the embedded Python and preparing everything for transforming this into a Windows program. That's it for this video. Let's go to the next one.